everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about my basically new course on Java. So this video is about the introduction of my course, my upcoming course. So video will contain all the things that I will teaching in this course. So let's get started. So first of all, I will teach what is Java in this course. So I'll teach why Java is so important, and what is actually Java. After that, I'll be doing a video on a Java story. So that will be like all the things about when Java is created, who created Java, all about the aspects of Java, how Java is created, what is the motive behind the creation of the Java programming language. So after that, I will be doing a lecture on Java architecture, how the Java architecture works, what are the components of the Java architecture, and all other things. I will cover all those things in this lecture. And then I will be cover Java features. What are the various features of the Java programming languages, and why this feature is important to know for you. Okay, so after that I will be teaching about Java installation. So how can you install the Java programming languages like Java JDK and other or the IDE, integrated development environment, in your local computer, and do some programs, and then compile the program and run the program. I'll do it. I will tell you. And then after these 5 lectures, after doing these 5 lectures in my upcoming videos, then I will shift it to the main part, like the programming part. I'll start teaching the programming part. First of all, I'll be teaching the basics of the programming, Java basics, and after the basics, like basics means the loops and switches, if else, variables, what is variables, constants, and stuff like that, how to print statement in Java, Java syntax, Java basic syntax, all those things I'll be cover in this particular area, like the Java basics. Okay, and after that I'll be doing Java OOPS statements, like OOPS, like the classes and object, inheritance, encapsulation, those kind of things I'll be covering in this area, or you can say in this section, like in the OOPS section. And after completing it, this is the end, right? Oops is the end in case of the Java. And then I'll be doing the problem statement, like the various problems on this Java, various popular problems, and why Java is suitable for those problems. Although you can solve a problem with any programming languages, but I'll be doing for a specific to Java, like some of the problems which is good to solve with Java, you don't feel difficulty when you solve it with Java. So I'll be doing that particular thing in this course also. And then after that, but by the way, if you didn't watch my previous videos on the algorithms part, and I'll be also doing the data structures part very soon, so stay tuned for that. And that's all for today. And my course will be basically I'll upload the videos on the Java course very soon, as soon as possible. Basically my college is open, so that's why I don't get time to to record the videos. So but I will make the time and make the videos for you. And so that's it for today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the friends, share in social about this. I don't know if it's great or not. That's your duty. Your call to tell that is it a great course or not. So just share it in social, share in Twitter, share in LinkedIn, with the name like CodaGo. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.